Okay, time to take a look at the VEVOR F150 truck bed mat. This is a fairly heavy box. Check that out. So that is a very heavy duty rubber mat. So nice and grippy, which is very important because if you're gonna be putting something like a 5-gallon bucket in the back of your truck, you don't want that thing swinging around and then worst case scenario opening up. This is gonna help to keep everything from sliding around. If you look close, you can see it has almost like a leather texture to it. So it looks really good. They have it super wrapped up. I'm not gonna bother taking these straps off until I get to the truck because this is gonna make it a lot easier to transport. Oh, this is nice. And so we do have some branding on here, although looks like this is a sticker, so we could take that off. The VEVOR is going to stay on there, but it's just kind of etched in there, so it's not going to be something that's going to super stand out, which is the way I like it. Now, this is a fairly thick mat, and it has rubber buttons on the bottom, so that's going to be good. It's going to help to make sure that it's going to actually stick to the bed, and it's also going to help any water that gets underneath to kind of drain out. But we are looking at about 1/4 of an inch thick, so fairly thick mat, really, and definitely heavy duty rubber. It does come with an instruction manual, but I mean, there's not really a lot to say. Basically, you just throw this thing in, and then that is that. So let's go ahead and see how this thing fits in a truck.
Oh, okay. It slides around all the time in there.
Right. I know. I have the same thing in my truck. But this.
So you got the lining done?
No, even with the hard liner, it's basically like a drop-in liner.
Is it?
I mean,
I thought yours was sprayed in.
It's a sprayed in, but I mean, it still slides around like a drop-in.
Damn, mine didn't. Mine was like the road asphalt. I mean, it was like sandpaper. That'll open up. You just pull that handle and swing it around. Yeah, that fits perfect there.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I'm trying to stay out of your video.
You do your thing. It's all good.
I'm holding your camera still so it doesn't fall over or anything. Yeah, see it? Not bad.
No, that's pretty good. Yeah, and it's nice and grippy too. And got the VEVOR toolbox. You can probably have it locked up. Yeah, that's cool. So yeah, that is a pretty good liner. I'm happy with that. That's pretty sweet.